Acting Minister in charge of Muslim Affairs Associate Professor Muhammad Faishal Ibrahim has called on the public to refrain from personal attacks against 3 women on trial for allegedly organizing a pro-Palestinian procession outside the Istana. Speaking in Malay after Friday prayers at the Muhajirin Mosque on 4th July 2025, Faishal said Singapore's strength lies in respecting diverse views while upholding the rule of law. He acknowledged that public reactions have ranged from support to unkind remarks and personal attacks directed at the accused. Even though we may hold differing opinions, we must not allow these differences to divide our society, he said. Our strength as a society lies not only in what we stand for, but in how we treat those who disagree with us. Faishal urged Singaporeans to act with decorum and let the legal process run its course, adding, "We can disagree, but let us not abandon our manners. Let us remain courteous and respectful even in disagreement." He also emphasized that the charges were unrelated to the activists' views or the cause behind the procession. The 3 women were charged because the procession took place in a prohibited area, he said, noting that similar action would have applied regardless of the issue. The women, Muhammad Sabikun Nahar, Siti Amira, Muhammad Azrari, and Anamalaika Kilapavati, are charged under the Public Order Act with organizing an assembly without a permit near the Istana on 2nd February 2024. The trial began on 1st July and is scheduled to continue until 10th July, with District Judge John Ng presiding. Court proceedings revealed that about 70 people gathered outside Plaza Singapura and walked to the Istana to deliver letters supporting the Palestinian cause. During cross-examination on 3rd July, a commanding officer from the Istana security unit testified that the event was peaceful and did not require police action. He said the participants were cooperative and posed no security threat. "If they posed a serious incident, I would have definitely had the power to exercise," he stated. The officer also referred to a similar peaceful event on 11th January 2024, where no legal action was taken. The defense argued that no signs indicated the route was prohibited and that no alternative path existed from Plaza Singapura to the Istana. On 4th July, the defense submitted there was insufficient evidence to charge Ki as an organizer. They argued her involvement was limited to advising Sabikun to keep the event peaceful and free of placards or slogans. Ki did not participate in the walk to the Istana. The prosecution countered that she had guided Sabikun to avoid legal breaches and retained influence over the event. Prosecutors cited video evidence showing her observing the distribution of watermelon umbrellas and highlighted her remark, "Watermelons are not a threat. Free Palestine," as an indication of her awareness of the symbolism. The defense contended that offering general advice did not constitute organizing, particularly since her suggestions were not followed. However, the judge found there was some evidence not inherently incredible to support the charge and ruled that Ki and her co-accused must present their defense as the trial proceeds.